students, welcome to SuperGrads channel. I am Komal and today we are going to cover a very important form, that is IIM Ranchi. The site is already opened in front of me. I'll be selecting the program option, go to the IPM program and the admission requirements. Once I click on the admission requirement, I have this page open where they have mentioned curriculums, FAQs about the IPM program, fee structure and apply for IPM. On this page, you have to upload all your personal details. That is your name, your parents' name, date of birth, address, state, PIN code. And over here, you have to mention the country, email ID, mobile number, nationality, category to which you belong, gender. And if you have any disability, please select yes. Next step is your academic background. The 10th, which year you have passed your 10th, the stream which you selected, the school, and the board which you have passed your 10th from, and your percentile. If please mention your 12th results only if you have already appeared. If you're appearing and the results are pending, then please keep all the columns blank. Then we have this honors, awards, scholarship, and extracurricular. If you have participated in any extracurricular activities, you can please enter all the details here. Next step is the documents. That is photograph. The photograph size should be not max than 512 KB and it should be in JPG, JPEG format. Same for your signature. The scanned document should not be more than 512 KB. Once you upload, click on the next step. We have the application preview. Please check all the details, and while filling the form also, please keep in mind that this cannot be reversed, so everything is accurate. Once this is done, please click here and confirm. We have the payment page open over here. Please select the card number and make the payment. Once the payment is done, the registration will be complete and you'll get all the details on your registered email ID. That's it from my side, students. I hope this helps. All the best for your entrance exam. Thank you.